Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sunflower seeds, and I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with sunflower seeds. The list is short and it is a little bit different than what you might be expecting, and so I know that there are a lot of ways that we can use sunflower seeds on salads and fruit salads, vegetable salads, granola mixes, and trail mixes, and all sorts of things. This goes over and above that type of food. Okay, how about mixing sunflower seeds with basil, garlic, olive oil in a pasta? Or sunflower seeds with flax seeds and millet? How about sunflower seeds with lentils and onions in pâtés? Or sunflower seeds with quinoa and raisins? That sounds good to me. I hope this helps. Bye for now.